and welcome back to my channel. We are about to unbox a super awesome fitness box called Barbella Box. Easy to sign up. Simply go to their website. It's barbellabox.cratejoy.com, and I will leave my link below in case you're interested in checking it out. And yeah, it's gonna be super cool. $50 a month for this box, and you typically receive at least double the amount of value in the box. So you're definitely getting worth your money when you get this box. And if you're into fitness, wellness, all of that fun stuff, there are so many cool things in here that I have received in the past. And I will leave a link to my videos up top there, and you can check out what I've received from Barbella before this box here. So without further ado, let's open up Barbella Box. It's really heavy. Like, there's something in here that I'm really curious. It's never been this heavy before. So I'm really curious to see what is in here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Hey there, Barbella. Here's the box inside. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is the September 2020 box. You get a postcard included, and on the back, it says all of the items that are inside the box, and it says right here in the corner that the total value is over $140 for this box. Yay! And like I said, it's $50 per month. You can skip a month if you want. You're not obligated to be on board every single month with this box, and that's what I really like about this box. Okay, so here we go with the coupons. They always have these fun little marketing coupons inside. Oh, they got a little sticker. It says lift each other up. Isn't that cute? You can put it on your notebook or wherever, a mirror, wherever you want to see it to be inspired. I like that. Super cute. Okay, this is MNT, Strength, Health, Empowerment. Must be one of the brands inside. Also, Barebell's Functional Foods. We got a little postcard on that. Okay, so here we go with the things, all of the things. Okay, so the first thing we have, this is cleansing clay beads. I'm not sure what these are. Let's take a closer look at these. $15 value. Give your skin the purifying benefits of clay. These little beads are used to give your skin an enzyme-enhanced deep cleaning. Just crush one bead in your hands, add water, and wash. It's that simple. I have never heard of this before. It's called Shoc, made in Korea. Let's open it up. So these are clay beads. Have you ever heard of these before? I have not. Shoc is dewy, bouncy, fresh, and flawless skin for the ultimate no makeup look. We're gonna have to try these out. Look at these cleansing beads. They're so cute. There's pink, purple, white, and they smell good. Look at that. Just a bunch of little beads in here. So you're supposed to crush them up and add water and then wash. So interesting, very interesting concept. $15 value on those. Okay, next up we have something that I do not need, a energy drink. I do not need that. Smart Energy, it's called Shoc is the brand. Big purple acai berry. Enhance your workouts, created for those with an active lifestyle. This natural blend is made with superior ingredients, no added sugar, which is very important, and no chemical preservatives to help you get the most out of your exercise. So yeah, 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 artificial flavor, and 0 chemical preservatives. So yeah, that's actually a really good energy drink. 9 essential amino acids and BCAAs, muscle recovery, natural caffeine. I actually might try this one. How much caffeine does it have in it? Okay, here it is. 300 milligrams. Not terrible, but it's definitely a lot to get you amped up for your workout or recovery. All right, so that value is $3 for that one. Okay, next up we have a bar, protein bar, salty peanut Barebells. 20 grams of protein, no added sugar, cha-ching. I like to try to watch out for the sugar because sugar is not good for me. It's not good for anybody. It tastes really good, but my body does not like it. So definitely gonna try this one. Protein bar, salty peanut. I do like that. We'll try that in a second. Let's see what else we got. Headbands of Hope. Headbands that help, it says. It's a tube turban. It's an adorable headband that can be used to push back your hair on hot days or on top of your head and over your ears when it's cooler out. It can be even be worn as a mask over your face or wrapped on your wrist for use anytime. So multi-purpose. This is $17.85 value on this. It feels just like a regular cloth towel type deal, but it says it's like a turban. So interesting. Very, very interesting. Let me try it on. I like the color. Like, that is like my jam right there. Okay, yeah, I can see how it would be a cute mask. Use it a mask. Or you can use it as a headband, which I will probably do. Yeah, that is cute. Very cute. I like it a lot. So yeah, that's cute. And apparently they do, for every item sold, a headband is given to a child with an illness. So your purchase create moments like this. Aw, I love that. Absolutely love that. It's a very comfortable headband too. It's soft, very soft. So the value on that is $17.85. We're not done. Oh, no, 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 no. We've got like 2 things left. We got a book. We got a book to read. It is called Chasing the Bright Side by Jess Ekstrom, founder of Headbands of Hope. Okay, cool. So Jess created this brand of headbands, and here is a book that she wrote called Chasing the Bright Side. Embrace optimism, activate your purpose, and write your own story. So I open it up to this page right here, and it says, someone else's success does not make yours any less. Someone else's failure does not make you any better. The only metric that matters is our own individuality. Hashtag chasing the bright side. I like that. I like that. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own successes. And even if you do fail, take that as a life lesson and try to make yourself better and learn from that. I like that a lot. So I'm going to read this book. And there's pretty Jess there on the back. Awesome. Super awesome. So that book is $24.99 value. I'm going to read that. Perfect for people looking for that extra motivation, for sure. I love those kinds of books. Okay, and finally, the last thing, you guys, $85 value on this one. $85. It is called the Exo Gear Sandbag Trainer. And look at the color. It's my favorite color, blue. Okay, so this is a sandbag trainer. Versatile training tool is a barbell, a weight vest, and dumbbells all in one. Fill the reservoir chambers with sand to get the most out of your strength training, cardio workouts, and bodybuilding exercises. Okay, I'm gonna have to go find myself some sand later and fill this bad boy up. It's very, very durable. Okay, so it's got two parts to it. It's got 1, 2, 3 different. Okay, so you can wrap that up. There's 3 of those. And then inside is this is the actual bag where you put the sand in. So it's got 2 straps here, and it's got the back straps that you can use. All kinds of straps and handles all over the place. So yes, I actually saw this one on, I want to say I saw it on their Instagram page, on Barbella's Instagram page, and a lot of people were having a lot of fun with this sandbag. So I can definitely see where you could get some good workouts with this one. So $85 value on this, super awesome. You guys, I think this box is awesome. Like, we got the Sandbag trainer, we got the inspiring book, we got the energy drink, which we all know I do not need, but I'm gonna try it because it actually has, it has a lot of caffeine in it, but I wanna try the flavor. It has no sugar, all that jazz. So that, and then this pretty headbands from the author of this book. And then also these cleansing clay beads, which I'm gonna try these later. It says they're gluten-free, suitable for vegans and not tested on animals, and they are used for cleansing your face. So we will definitely check that out. And then I forgot to mention, we were gonna try this bar. Let's try this bar real quick. A little bit of mukbang for ya. Mukbang, however they say it, I don't know. Okay, so here's the bar. Looks like it kind of got a little melty because it's kind of sticking to the paper a little bit. Let's try this bar. I'm just gonna break it off. It's kind of like a chewy bar. It says it's salty and peanutty. Very chewy. Girl! Now, when you find these bars that you like, you buy all the bars. You buy all the freaking bars. I'm gonna buy all of these freaking bars. Like, OMG. 20 grams of protein, no sugar. This tastes so good. Okay, you guys, so it says these are available at Amazon, Trader Joe's, and bodybuilding.com. Protein bars, they have different flavors. They have white chocolate almond, I bet that would be really good. Crunchy fudge, cookies and cream, and caramel cashew. Oh my gosh, these are legit. So this entire box, you guys, I'm gonna finish my bar here in just a hot second. But $50 for this entire box. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave my link for you below. Let me know which item in this box is something that you would like to receive. Do you think that it's worth the $50 value on this? If you're a fitness fanatic, would you like this box? Let me know. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And we will be back with more videos weekly. Thanks for watching. Bye.